down south?
My ex-husband's family.
Okay. So your ex-husband is departed, and his family is from the south.
Yes.
Perfect. And are you remarried though?
Yes.
Well, did your first husband have tattoos?
Yes.
I mean, look on him. Like he's got like no shirt on. Like
Kate and Bug.
tattoos. So yeah.
What you playing with?
Because I said to him, I go, she is he goes, I feel the same nickname. He calls you Mike.
What Mama has?
I met Jason through a mutual friend. It was a very young
Come on.
relationship.
You gotta come get it.
He says, look, he says our marriage wasn't perfect. He says nothing was perfect.
Yeah. Jason was a very charismatic, goofy kind of guy, but he had a hard time dealing with life. When it was good, it was really good, and when it was bad, it was extremely bad. Unfortunately, that was the downfall of our marriage.
Come on. Come get it.
And you have a daughter? Okay, is that his daughters?
Despite all of the issues that we had in separating, he did wonderful things with my daughter, took her on trips and playing guitar, and he was a wonderful dad.
Was she very artistic, your daughter, or very crafty, or very... Did she write something about him? Because he says, I need her to know that I want to be beautiful and amazing.
Good girl. Good girl. You got it. Did you get it?
At his memorial service, she got
What you playing with? What you got?
and sang a song
What you got, pretty girl?
that they had recorded together the previous summer.
Your husband actually takes responsibility not only for his actions, but he also takes responsibility for his passing.
That's amazing for him to admit that. Jason passed 1 year ago. He committed suicide last February.
Smart girl.
His reaction was
Smart girl.
I've ever heard in my life.
Yay!